Okay, let's have a look at some examples how to work out and solve each equation. So the first one, x plus 9 equals 15. What we need to do is get that unknown on its own. So we need to get rid of whatever is next to the unknown. So in this case, we need to get rid of the plus 9. So the inverse of plus 9 is take away 9. And whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. So 9 plus 9 take away 9 gives me 0. 15 take away 9 is 6. So my answer is x equals 6. Okay, let's have a look at the second question. X minus 5 equals 27. Again, we need to get the unknown on its own. So we need to do the inverse of minus 5, which is plus 5. Whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. So this cancels out. Minus 5 plus 5 gives me 0. So on this side you're left with 0. And here you're left with 32. Okay, the bottom question in the bottom left hand corner. 3x equals 36. Remember, 3x means 3 lots of x. So you must do the inverse of times by 3, which is divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives me 1 lot of x. So x equals 36 divided by 3, which is 12. Now we have x over 2 equals 48. Remember, this sign, vinculum, means divide. So if we're dividing by 2, we must times by 2 on each side. So 2 divided by 2, or 2 over times by half, which gives me 1. So I'm left with x equals 48 times 2 is 96. Okay, solve the following equations. This is similar to the previous lesson. So we use the balancing method. So we want to get rid of the plus 5. We have to do the inverse of plus 5, which is take away 5. Whatever we do on one side, we must do to the other side. So these two cancel. So you're left over with 3x equals 8 minus 5 is 3. Now 3x equals 3. Remember, 3 lots of x means times, so we need to divide by 3 on both sides. So left over with x equals 1. Okay, let's have a look at the one question on the far right. We need to get rid of the minus 9 first. The opposite inverse of minus 9 is plus 9. Whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. Okay, so you're left over with 2x equals 15 plus 9 is 24. Remember, this means 2 lots of x, so we must do divide by 2 on both sides. So you're left over with x equals 12. Okay, this question's a bit different. We have divided by 9. X plus 2 divided by 9 equals 5. Okay, so first of all, we need to get rid of the 9. So we need to times by 9 on both sides. Times by 9, 9 times 1 over 9 will give me 1. So these two will cancel. So your equation will now be x plus 2 equals 45. Okay, so now write it over here. So x plus 2 equals 45. We do the inverse of plus 2, which is minus 2. Whatever you do on one side must do to the other side. So you're left with x equals 43. Please have a go at the following questions. Please upload your answers to Clash Charts.